Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about a snack that I recently purchased when I went to the grocery store. I love Quaker products. I usually buy their oats. I've tried different things that they've came out with over the year. They had these like oatmeal cookies that were great for breakfast, and I always love their products. They're always really good and they've been around for so long. Quaker is established in 1877. I love oatmeal, helps keep you full, gives you energy. It has a new look with the same great taste. I purchased actually 3 different kinds of their rice, actually 4, because they've got their regular ones, which are like lightly salted, cheddar, which I tried yesterday and they were amazing, caramel, which I haven't tried yet, and then I bought these sweet and spicy chili. My husband and I thought they sounded interesting, and I like the cover, kind of gives you an idea of what they look like, and got the peppers because they're sweetened, and because they're spiced with the peppers and they have a little bit of sweetness to them. They're really good. So they kind of balance off each other, the sweet and the spicy, which I really like. They're gluten free. They have 15 grams of whole grains per serving. See nutrition facts for sodium content, and no high fructose corn syrup, which is great. So on the bottom here, it says 130 calories per serving, 0 grams of saturated fat, 340 milligrams of sodium, and less than 1 gram of sugars. The rice cakes on here are an enlarged image. They have, in the bag, its net weight is 3.03 ounces, 86 grams. Over to the back. So they're made with 15 grams of whole grains per serving, low cholesterol per serving. Whole grain sign here, 15 grams or more per serving, eat 48 grams or more of whole grains daily. And then there's a website, wholegrainscouncil.org. Cholesterol per serving, no high fructose corn syrup, popped, never fried, which is great, right? Because we will want to try to eat a little bit healthier. And if this is a snack that you want to give your children, because I'm sure that they would like it, better to give them something that is popped rather than something that's put in the deep fryer. It could be fattening and not so healthy. So these are 130 calories per serving. The nutrition facts for sodium content, full of flavor, full of crunch, made with corn and whole grain brown rice, bite-sized and flavorful. Here's the label, barcode here, popped sweet and spicy chili. Do not heat in toaster or microwave, which I don't know why anyone would want to, but just in case, don't do it. So the nutrition facts, there's about 3 servings per container. Serving size is 18 pieces, 130 calories per serving, 380 per container. Total fat 5 grams per serving, 14 grams per container. Saturated fat 0 grams per serving, 1.5 gram per container. Trans fat 0 grams in a serving and a container. Polyunsaturated fat 1.5 grams per serving and 4 grams per container. Monounsaturated fat 3 grams per serving, 8 grams per container. Cholesterol 0 milligrams in a serving and a container. Sodium 340 milligrams, 15% daily value per serving, and 960 milligrams, 42% per container. 21 grams of carbs per serving and 61 grams per container. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Total sugars less than 1 gram per serving. Included added sugars less than 1 gram, 1% per serving, and 2 grams per container. Protein 2 grams per serving and 6 grams per container. Vitamin D 0%, calcium 10 milligrams per serving, 30 milligrams per container. Iron 0.5 milligrams per serving, 1.4 milligrams per container. Potassium 60 milligrams per serving and 170 milligrams per container. We have ingredients down here: whole grain brown rice flour, degerminated milled corn, sunflower oil, salt, sugar, hydrolyzed corn and soy protein, monosodium glutamate, corn maltodextrin, sodium deacetate, soy sauce, giving it some of that salty flavor, onion powder, fructose, garlic powder, yeast extract, paprika color, malic acid, spices, natural flavor, disodium inosonate, disodium guanylate, tocopherols, preservatives, sucralose. Sorry, I kind of struggled a little bit with some of those words there. Contains soy ingredients, so just be wary if you're allergic to soy. Distributed by the Quaker Oats Company. Questions or comments, you could call there, and the website is quakeroats.com. Best before January 2019. So I'll probably be done with this bag by tomorrow and not on January 2019, so no need to worry about that. And then I just want to show you guys what the rice cakes look like. Really yummy and crunchy, and they're so good, and I'm really excited for you guys to try this flavor. The sweet and spicy are so nicely balanced off each other. So this Quaker sweet and spicy chili naturally flavored rice crepes. I hope you guys try them, and I hope you love them. Thanks for watching.